Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving break. I know I did. I am doing my best to get caught up with emails today. If you haven't heard from me by tomorrow, go ahead and send me another message. I just want to kind of go over in kind of broad strokes assignments for this week. I did put them all in the content area, very detailed, but just want to remind you we're back to kind of a regular week this week. And we'll have a quiz, we'll have our discussion forum, we'll also have a reflection paper due. We got that started last week. I've extended the deadline until Sunday at 11:59 p.m. to give everybody a chance to ask any questions. APA formatting, I put a couple of resources up for you that you may find helpful. If not, feel free to send me your paper and I'll take a glance at it and say, this is right, or this needs a little improvement. I won't go and edit it, but I'll let you know the areas that need to be corrected and kind of get you set off in the right direction. The SONA research requirement, I went ahead and looked at the one report that they have ready, and if I left you feedback that says the research requirement has not been met, it could be a couple of things. Maybe it's still pending, or you have not met the 1.0 credit or the 1 hour requirement. So if you've only done 1.5 credit survey, you'll need to go back in and do one more. But also remember that you can earn extra credit by doing surveys as well, up to 25 points for this class. So go ahead, do some surveys. They're pretty easy to do. I think if something that interests you, just do another one and get that extra credit. So we are right here close to the end. We'll have this week, we'll have next week, and then I'll have your study guide available for you toward the end of next week, middle of next week. I'll have to see. As you know, I teach with a cohort. I have some colleagues that I teach with, so we'll be working on that this week to kind of see where we're going. And I may have an extra credit opportunity for you all with the final exam and how we put that together. So keep an eye out for that. And I look forward to another great week and talk to you all soon. Bye.